So earlier, friends, we have solved this integral e to the power of ax cos of bx plus c dx. This is what we solved. This is nothing but e to the power of ax divided by a square plus b square multiplied by a cos bx plus c plus b sine bx plus c. This is what we got. Okay. And now I want you to try. This is what is your homework. E to the power of ax sine of bx plus c is your homework. So dx that you have to solve and get the answer, and then post the answer what you got in comments. Okay. So this is what I want you to do. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 3 or 4, whatever the thing you like. Now the next one is I'm going to solve this. There's another question which is integral, which is very usual. Integral sine log x is this one question is what is being asked. Sine log x or cos log x dx. Okay, integral cos log x dx. So how do you solve such an integral? Sine of log x and cos of log x. Then only thing is that what you have to do is I'll assume let log x is equal to p. I assume like this. And then what happens is with x, x is e power p. I can assume like this. What is my dx? This is substitution what I do. Dx is e power p dp. And now you see the integral, the first integral transforms to sine log x, that is sine p. Instead of log x, I substitute p, sine p. And my dx part is e power p dp. Right. So this is nothing but my integral e power p sine p dp, right? So e power x into sine x integral can be asked in this form also. Similarly, log cos x can be written as integral e power x into, you can assume this is like e power p cos p dp, right? So once you substitute the log x as p, you get into this integral. This integral and this integrals are all same kind. So okay. So friends, this is what I want you to be aware, and don't leave the question if something like sine log x is asked or cos log x is asked. Okay, you have to put log x as p, and then x becomes e power p, and dx is e power p dp. Just give the substitution, the integral transforms to the integral what we have just solved in the earlier video. Okay, now let's see the next question. What we have is integral log of 1 plus x square. Okay, integral log of 1 plus x square. So this is very surprising integral. So how do we solve this integral? So I'll go with the same funda ILATE. So here the logarithmic inverse trigonometric functions are not there, but the logarithmic function is there. So this is my first function, that is f of x. And what is my second function? I don't find my second function, but I can find it by putting 1 over here, 1 into log of 1 plus x square. So the 1 is the algebraic function, which is g of x. So like this we start. So my f of x is my first function, which is log of 1 plus x square. That is my first function. And my second function g of x is nothing but 1. This is how we start. And now let's integrate this f of x into, that is log of 1 plus x squared into integral g of x, that is integral 1 dx. This is what we do. So this I am writing it as 1 into log of 1 plus x square. This log of 1 plus x square is my f of x, and this 1 is my g of x. That is how we started. Okay. Minus integral, what is the derivative of log of 1 plus x square? So I can write it, what derivative of log x is 1 by x. So derivative of 1 plus x square is 1 by 1 plus x square multiplied by derivative of 1 plus x square. That is nothing but 2x by 1 plus x square. I hope you know this. All of you are aware of how to do the derivative, and then integral 1 dx once again, 1 dx. For this entire thing, you have to take whole dx. Okay, this is what you have. And now this is integral 1 dx is x. So I can write x into log of 1 plus x square is the first part. Okay. Minus integral. So you have 2x into integral 1 dx is x. So it is 2x into x, that is 2x square by 1 plus x square is what you have. So dx, that is what this integral you had to evaluate. This integral is already over. This part is over. Now I will go for the next page. So I have this. My next page is this one. So what I got was x log 1 plus x square. Log 1 plus x square is to the base e. Okay, that is what you have to know. That is, you have 2x square by 1 plus x square dx. Now how to evaluate this part? So this part alone I will evaluate. Later I will add this. So I'm writing this here. So it's 2x square by 1 plus x square is what I want to solve. Dx, and then let's take 2 out. 2 into integral x square by 1 plus x square. This is what I want to evaluate. So because bottom denominator I have 1 plus x square, I will just add 1 and subtract 1 over on the top. That is what I will do. 2 I have taken common. For x square on the top, I will add 1 and subtract 1. This is what I did. So that is 2 into integral x square plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square is 1 split. And now dx, this is 1 split, and then minus integral 2 into integral 1 by 1 plus x square. This is what I will write. And then this is dx over here. And then this is what I did. This x square plus 1 is 1 split, and then this 1 is 1 split. This is what I did. And now this cancels out to give me integral 2 into integral 1 dx. This is what I have, and minus integral 2 into what is dx by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. Okay. So that is 2x minus 2 tan inverse x is what you have, right? So this one you had to put in here. That's it. So x log 1 plus x squared to the base e minus 2 into, I'll write like this, 2 into x minus tan inverse x. Okay. Plus constant. That's the answer, required answer for you. And then the answer can be given in any form what they like. So in a simple form, you can make it like x log 1 plus x square. Multiplying the negative sign, that's what I do. Okay. Plus 2 tan inverse x, you can write like this, plus 2 tan inverse x minus 2x plus constant. And that's the required answer for you. Okay. So with that, our problem is over, and then let's solve the next one. You have next set of questions is like this. I'll explain the next set of questions. Next set of questions are of this kind. You have this. So let's solve x e power x dx. So how to solve this integral x e power x dx? This is what I want to do. So again, I can assume that IITJEE, right? Exponential is my second function. So this is my second function, that is g of x. Out of these, which functions are there that you have to see? Algebraic is coming first, so that is my f, and this is my g. Okay. So this is my g of x, and this is my f of x. Okay. And just apply the formula f of x into integral g of x dx, that is integral g of x is e power x minus integral f dash x, that is the derivative of x, that is 1, into integral e power x is e power x dx. This is very easy problem. So x e power x minus integral e power x is nothing but e power x plus constant. That's it. That's what the answer is. So you have e power x, if you take common, you have x minus 1 over there plus constant. That's the answers for you. And let us see the next one, x log x dx. So next question we'll solve, that is integral x log x dx. Okay, x log x dx. So how do I solve the x log x part? So this again, write this IITJEE once again. So the logarithmic is coming as my first integral. So that is f of x, and then the algebraic is coming as a second one. Okay, that's how. So I don't have inverse trigonometric, I don't have this trigonometric, and I don't have exponential functions. So that's how. Choose the functions whichever they are available over there. So this is my g of x. Okay, this is my sorry, this is my g of x. Yes, correct. This is my g of x, and this is my f of x. Okay, logarithmic. Fine. And now let's write the integral. So this is log x multiplied by integral g of x, that is x dx. This is what you have, minus integral. What is the derivative of log x? That is 1 by x multiplied by integral x dx. Right. That's it. So you have what is integral x square by 2. Once again, that is log x over there, minus integral what is 1 by x over there. Integral x is x square by 2 once again, and then dx for you, and then this x, this 1x gets cancelled out. So you have x square by 2 log x, right, minus integral minus half into integral x is x square by 2. Okay, once again x square by 2 plus constant. So after that you can multiply this x square by 2, you can take out. So I can write it as log x minus half. I can write like this plus constant. So that's how you can write it. Half, some people will manipulate this, the final thing also, like how do you manipulate this one? So you have x square by 2 multiplied by log x minus half is what you have, no? So half into 1, let's write this. What is 1? 1 can be written as, the answer can be different also. This, they can put up a different answer. So x square by 2 minus log x minus half into what is 1 in terms of logarithms. 1 is log e to the base e. This is what you can write. Okay. So plus constant. Okay. So this half, if you take it into exponential, so this is x square by 2. That is nothing but log x to log x minus log e power half is what you have to the base e. This is what you have, right? E power half, and then log x minus log y is log x by y. So plus constant, you can write, they can give this one also as answer. So possible that, so this is x by root e, like this also they can give you x by root e plus constant. So both these answers are possible, the first answer as well as second answer. Okay, you can manipulate the answers and then you can write like this one also. I hope you understood this one. And what you got to know is log e to the base e is 1. And when I multiply this with a half, okay, when you have half, you get log e to the power of half to the base e. This is what you get. E power half means root e, na? So that's what we are writing over here. Root e is e power half. So these are some of the basic things which you have to know to solve this particular question. Okay. So let's see the next one. X log x you have, and then yeah, this is another type of questions. What you see, how do you solve this? This is particular kind of problem. What you will see, this e power x into, if you have like f of x plus f dash x, if you have a particular this kind of stuff, dx, if you have this kind of thing, e power x into f of x plus f dash x, then you can write it as e power x into f of x plus c. So that's the answers what you get. So based on this fact, we have some few questions. Suppose if you have e to the power of x into sin x plus cos x. Suppose I ask you, how do you solve this e power x into sin x plus cos x? This is called a standard integral form. So e power x into sin x plus cos x. Sin x is, if you assume f of x and derivative is cos x. You see this, f of x is sin x and the derivative of sin x, that is f dash x, that is cos x. So your answer is straight e power x into sin x plus c. Okay. Like this, let's solve some few problems. So let us say you have e power x into log x plus 1 by x. So like this you have dx. This is one more questions. No, the log x is there, that you assume f of x, its derivative is f dash x, that is 1 by x, na? So that is multiplied by e power x. Suppose you have this kind of situation, then it's e power x into log x plus constant. Finished. That's the answer. Now let us write another situation, e power x into secant x multiplied by 1 plus tan x, like this. The question is given to us. Okay, dx. Now how to solve this? Just multiply the secant x inside. You see this e power x into, I have secant x plus secant x plus tan. Secant x into 1 is secant x into tan x is the next term. Secant x into tan x dx. Okay. And now my f of x is secant x and my derivative of secant x is f dash x, that is secant x into tan x. So my answer is e power x into f of x, e power x into secant x plus c. Finished. Okay. So let's see another question over here. I'll go to the next page and then let us solve another question. So integral, let us say e power x into tan x plus secant square x. Suppose you have tan x plus secant square x. Okay. So how do I solve this problem? Simple, very simple. This is f of x, you assume, and its derivative f dash x is secant square x. Now the answer is e power x into tan x plus constant. Now let us see the next questions. What is the next question I have? So the next one is this is one important integrals, and this is the integral log x, like this it is given, log x plus 1 by log x whole square, 1 by log x, this they have given squared, and again this is dx. Now how do we solve this? This is and this one are close, they are having the same form. So what I do is I assume log x as p, and I can write that x is equal to e power p, and dx is e power p dp, right? So I can do this, just plug these things in here. So this integral converts to integral log x, I assumed as p. So this is log p, okay, plus 1 by log x is p. So it is 1 by p squared, right? This is what I have. This multiplied by e power p dp. Dx is e power p dp. So this is how I got the integral. Now this looks very weird, but the derivative of log p is not 1 by p square. So this is a little bit challenging integral, but we'll solve this. Don't worry. So how do I solve e power p? I have this log p, but it is not added with its derivative. This is something else, 1 by p square. This is looks very fishy. This is challenging problem. So that's why we are solving this. E power p, what I do is I will add 1 by p and I will subtract 1 by p. Instead of subtract, I will subtract. The subtraction for that I will write minus 1 by p plus 1 by p square. Like this I'll write. Okay, I added 1 by p and I subtract 1 by p. Instead of writing minus 1 by p, I'm writing plus of minus 1 by p. I'll tell you why I'm writing like this. In short, you will understand very easily. And now up to this part, I'll multiply with e power p. Up to this part, I'll multiply with e power p. This is one section of the problem. This is the other section of the problem. Okay. So if I multiply the first two terms with e power p, after adding up 1 by p, and now you will get the answer. So you have e power p into log p plus 1 by p. This is one set multiplied by dp plus integral, you have e power p multiplied by minus 1 by p plus 1 by p square. Okay, this is the set 2. These are two integrals now. And now what is the derivative of log p with 1 by p? So the first integral is evaluated, that is e power p into the log p, that is my f of x. Okay, that is my first part. My second part of the problem, just check what is the derivative of 1 by p, that is 1 by p square. Okay, negative 1 by p square minus 1 by p derivative is 1 by p square. Okay, so my answer will be e power p into minus 1 by p plus constant, and just replace what is p. What is p is log x, right? E power p is x, so just put that e power p log p. What is log p? That is log x. Okay, p is log x. This is what we assumed, and e power p is x into minus 1 by log x plus constant. So that's the answer for you, and very challenging question this is. So this minus you can multiply and then do blah 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 what you like. Okay, so that's where the answer is. That's a very nice challenging question, this one. And now we have the second thing. How do I solve the basic the integral x sine inverse x? So this is another standard integral x sine inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, x sine inverse x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, this is what we have. Now let's see, this integral is a little bit surprising one, but it's okay, you can solve this very easily. So what I do is let sine inverse x is p. So this is what I start with. Why I'm assuming sine inverse x as p is my derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So that's the reason I'm going ahead. So my derivative is dx by square root of 1 minus x square is what I have, and that side is dp. Okay, that's how we do the derivative. Now what will be x over here? The x part is that sine p. That is x part is sine p. So replace the terms over here. So what I'm left with is this is sine p over there, and sine inverse x I assumed as p, and dx by square root of 1 minus x square is my dp. So p sine p dp. That's the integral what I'm going to evaluate. So p sine p, how do you evaluate? This is my algebraic function. This is my trigonometric function, right? Let's write IITJEE, which is coming first. The algebraic is coming first function, and trigonometric is my second function. And just solve the integral, and then p into integral sine p dp. That's what you have. And now minus integral, what is derivative of p1, and then integral sine p dp. Oh, sorry. dp, and then this whole is again dp like this. So what is p sine p? What is p sine p? So p into what is integral sine p? That is negative cos p is what you have, minus integral p derivative is 1, and then you have negative cos p and dp, right? So minus of minus is plus, minus p cos p plus integral cos p is sine p. So you have sine p over there plus constant. And then what is p? That is sine inverse x, right? So we plug the things, that is minus cos of sine inverse x is first one, and p is sine inverse x, right? And then sine p is nothing but x. Sine inverse p is sine inverse x is p. So sine p is x plus constant. What is cos of sine inverse x? That is pi by 2 minus x. I hope you all know that. So that is minus of pi by 2 minus x multiplied by sine inverse x, right? Plus x plus constant. So the negative sign you can multiply inside, like x minus pi by 2 into sine inverse x, like this. You can make it, and then you write the answer. You can write the answer. Fine. So what else I have is very challenging questions. I have another challenging question, which is, so how do I solve the sine inverse x? Integral sine inverse x is one question which you can think of. Integral sine inverse x or tan inverse x. All these things are of the same kind. Integral sine inverse x and integral tan inverse x are all of the same kind. Okay, same kind of integrals. So how do I evaluate this? This let's put 1 here and then dx over here. This also put 1 and then dx. And that if you follow this IITJEE, the inverse trigonometric is the first function. This is my f of x, and then the 1 is my g of x. So this is how we start with, and then let's evaluate. So it is first function, that is sine inverse x, and then derivative integral 1 is x sine inverse x is what you have, minus integral integral 1 is x divided by the derivative of sine inverse x is square root of 1 minus x square dx. This is first integral, and then here you can put 2x over here, and then you put a half over there, and if you assume 1 minus x square is p, and then your integral is evaluated. Minus 2x dx happens to be dp for you, right? This negative sign, let's take it inside and then put here, and minus 2x dx is dp, and 1 minus x square assumed p, right? So I have x sine inverse x plus integral 2x dx is assumed dp divided by this 2 I multiply inside, 2 root p is what I have, and then I have x sine inverse x plus 1 by 2 root p is root p. So what is p? The p part is 1 minus x square. Just plug that in. That's the answer for you, right? And now the similar way I want you to solve this x tan inverse x. Okay, you can do like this, x tan inverse x straight away, right? Minus you have the integral 1 is x, once again x divided by 1 plus x square is what you have. You can multiply and divide with the 2 because the 1 plus x square derivative is 2x. Okay, so little bit different answer you will get, x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into if I assume 1 plus x square is p, and then 2x dx is dp, so it's nothing but dp by p is what I get. So it is x tan inverse x minus half ln mod p. So that's the answers for you. What is p? Once again, that is 1 plus x square. You can plug in that. So you have x tan inverse x minus half ln mod 1 plus x square. The half can be taken like a root, and then you can put up like that also. Okay, like that you have the answers. Okay, I hope you you understood how to handle such integrals. And then last but not least, I want to solve one more integral over here. Let's check this. Let's check this one more integral I want to solve now. So the integral goes like this: integral x e power x divided by 1 plus x 1 plus x whole square. Yeah, and plus x whole square. This is one standard integral which you can think of. So how do I solve this? This is a very nice problem. So you can write this x plus 1 minus 1. I'll write like this: x plus 1 minus 1. I added 1 and subtracted 1 on the numerator. X you can take it in the bracket and then add 1, subtract 1, and then you can write 1 plus x whole square over there multiplied by e power x. So why I'm doing this, you will understand this. Now e power x into split up to x plus 1. So this is x plus 1 by 1 plus x whole square is my first part, minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Okay, you can write like this. So this entire thing is multiplied by dx. We should not forget that. So integral e power x into, let's cancel 1x plus 1 here. So it is 1 by x plus 1, and then minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square, right? So what this is, if I assume this as my f of x, that's derivative is here. F dash x, the derivative is over here. And hence the answer e power x into f of x, that is f of x is divided by x plus 1, e power x into 1 by x plus 1 plus constant. Or you can write e power x into e power x by x plus 1 plus constant. So that's the answers for you. So with this, I'm closing this particular stuff integration by parts. And thank you all. Thanks for watching the video. And hope you like it. Share among your friends. Thank you all.